Hi sir, here is my presentation for the database for my third sprint. Among the 4 web pages in the project, the blogs.html have a database read functionality wherein the users would search for the specific blog that they are looking for. And then I got the contactme.html having a database write functionality that adds a message to the database. So here, for the reading of the database, we could search within the blog's content. And for the writing of database, the users could send a message to contact me and their data would be stored in the database. I'd also like to mention, if you want to check out how the database functions, this is what I used as the Superuser. Now, going to how the database works, inside the Django's folders, in each of the app component, there is a models.py that creates the models inside the database. Inside the code, we can see here that the title and description variable creates the title model inside the database. For the blog's web page, here we can see inside the HTML file how each of the blog title is being taken from the database and be rendered inside the web page. This is made possible by the for loop using a Django code inside the HTML file, where the loop takes all available titles inside the database. Now, when a successful searching goes through the blog's page, another HTML file is rendered by the view function. And then, when we go back to the views.py file, here we can see how the request for searching works. First, we take in the post request from the field in the search bar, then use it together with Django's way of filtering out models inside the database. Here, we can see that Django filters out the titles that contains the inputted search text. Then, this search filter here takes all the corresponding values that contains the specified text by the user, and within that HTML, it gets a for loop so that it could display the corresponding titles inside the web page. Next, for the writing functionality in the database, I got this contact me form that will take in the user's message and place them inside the database. Its functionality works similar to the search function earlier, wherein the inside of the HTML file, we got a Django code that points to the models inside the database. Then, the inside of the views.py file, we got this following code where whenever the form is valid, it will create an object based from what was inputted from the field.